This is what you do when you don't normally get to tailgate because you're the coach. And when you're here really early, you've been here since 8 o'clock this morning, and the game doesn't start till 7. You do this in the back of your truck, in the parking garage. Go Cats. Perfect lighting to touch up my makeup. I'll just use my lens. Oh, no, that ain't gonna work. Okay, using my brow defining boost from, of course, Rodan and Fields. Cause y'all look how rough my eyebrows look. Can you see them? And I'll wait to do lipstick closer to game time. I wonder if those are cameras right there. Hopefully not. So I am so ready to eat. I'm a little Hot Logic back here, and it's been hooked up to my Jackery. In case you're thinking it's like super hot in here, it's not. It is actually, I mean, it feels great. I don't have any of the fans going. I've got 2 fans here. Of course, I can move them around. There's little fans that I can hook them up on my bungee cord. 62% humidity, and the indoor temperature is 77 degrees. Y'all know I've been watching the Marvel series. I talk about it every time that I'm in here. And I'm so excited because Black Widow is finally out. I have it downloaded, so I'm gonna watch Black Widow before the game. And then I think I'll take a little nap, or I'll just chill out here, or I'll sit right out there and enjoy the breeze. Yum. It's really good. Okay, hopefully I don't have any food in my teeth. Okay, y'all. I about lost sleep over this last night. But look, I have plenty of room up here. Even when I drove in, I was like, oh my gosh, 7, 8. I'm not gonna fit. I'm gonna hit. Oh my goodness, there's not enough room. I Googled. I did just about everything to try to check out beforehand. Like last night, I was like, what's the height of garages? UK garage, what's the clearance level? I just know this is pretty high with the roof rack and with my topper being one of the higher toppers. So let's just say stress level, I'm gonna sleep good tonight because my truck cleared the parking garage. Look at that. So I would say that's probably about, let me see if I can close that a little bit. It's okay. Here's my elbow on the back of my awning. There it goes up to my fist. And there's that much room. I'm good. And look at my little antenna palm. Can you see it right there? Risa, remember those? You know when I said that I was gonna watch Black Widow, and I have been waiting for it? Y'all, I am so tired and so sleepy right now. There's our band. You can hear them out practicing. I am so tired. I'm sure it's after getting that food in my belly. And now I'm finally getting to sit down and relax for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna probably take a nap right now. And it's awesome. I do not have any fans on. I don't have anything on. Go Cats, go Cats, go Big Blue. UK. And the breeze So there's the other big opening. So I mean, the breeze is just awesome right now. And here's over here. All right, nap time. Okay, before I take my nap, I'm gonna get a snack. So this is my food one, my food section. These are my condiments up here at the top. Honestly, I didn't have time this morning to throw things in. I should have gotten it ready last night, but these are just regular things. Now, if I had some crackers or something or whatever, maybe I'll do a bar. God, I might even do a little decaf coffee before I actually go. So in here, these are like my dry goods. So when I was saying earlier that I had the McDougal's, it's real easy to keep that kind of stuff in here. Black beans, basmati rice, and I do need to probably do a video on what's in my Husky system. And then I have another base part that I can actually put it on wheels and stuff, and that's in the back seat of the truck. Alright, so I took a quick little nap, and I'm gonna start watching a little bit of Black Widow. You can hear our band is going at it. I love it. I might not get to watch much of this because I can't hear it great, and I need to actually go ahead and change my clothes and get ready to head out to the game. But it's been fun. It's been relaxing. I'm gonna tell you, it felt great in here. It got just a little warm right here a few minutes ago. I turned on one of those small fans, and then I had to turn it off because like it's a little chilly right now. Wish us good luck tonight. Cats versus LSU. All right, thanks for joining me. And you know what though, I may not end yet because I might have a few of my dance members drop by. Look who came out to visit! Yeah, we got the fight song going today. Hold that ball and hit that line. Every Wildcat star will shine. We'll fight, fight, fight for the blue and white. As we roll to the goal varsity, we will kick, pass, and run till the battle is won and bring home the victory.